Here are the steps for getting the Zonar V3 powered and connected on a GSM call. We have it connected to a 12-volt power supply, which is currently off. That gets connected to these connectors here. One's labeled ground, and the other one is just red. The color doesn't quite make sense, but ground is the white wire on this particular cable. It says GND. The other cable is a serial cable. It's this gray one that goes over to my laptop. And those plug into these first two connectors here, which are on the back side of the board. I'll flip over this whole thing. You can see. So we'll hook those both up. We have the serial port up. I'm using TeraTerm. I have a macro defined for this. Just clear the screen here. Okay, so now if I apply power on the screen, we should see an AT. We should basically see a welcome. If we don't see that, there's a reset jumper on the board. And this is older level, first level silicon from Freescale, so there was a reset bug. If I short these two jumpers right here, the only 2-pin header on the board, I then see this comes up and it says OK. We then want to run a macro, which we can use Alt-O-M to bring that up. And we're going to load up GSM modem. Press enter. It'll ask for confirmation to run the test. And it's going to send some commands to turn power on to the modem, and then it's going to reset it. And then once it sees that the modem's back up, it should send an ATD command. There is an issue with the, there we go. So it's trying to send it. It says communication with modem passed. And on our call box, we see that it's in the process of setting up the call. So those are the basic steps in getting the call up and running.